I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self evident that all men are created equal. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. The time is always right to do what is right. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor, it must be demanded by oppressed. We must accept finite disappointment but never lose infinite hope. I have decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at time of challenge and controversy. Non-violence is a powerful and just weapon which cuts without wounding and ennobles the man who wields. True peace is not merely the absence of tension, it is the presence of justice. Let no man pull you so low as to hate him. Union leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. Whatever efforts one directly affects all indirectly. We are not makers of history, we are made by history. Shallow understanding from people of good will is more frustrating than absolute misunderstanding from people of ill will. There comes a time when silence is betrayal. Change does not roll in on the wheels of inevitability but comes through continuous struggle. The hottest place in hell is reserved for those who remain neutral in times of great moral conflict. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. One of the most causes of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by a temporary defeat. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. It is not enough to say we must not wage war. It is necessary to love peace and sacrifice for it. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatsoever you do, you have to keep moving forward. The quality, not the longevity, of one's life is what is important. A riot is the language of unheard. He who passively accepts evil is as much involved in it as he who helps to perpetrate it. No one really knows why they are alive until they know what they have died for.